All right. Hello, everyone. Sound, we good? Sound test, we good? Yeah? All right, guys. Welcome to another session of the Keynote with Ben. So we actually do this every half of the year, guys. It's good to see you. We are live today. We do this every half year, the Keynote, to give you the latest update on Bybit product delivers, what we have achieved, what we have done, and of course, we're going to drop some serious offer on what's coming up next in the next 6 months. So I'm Ben. I'm the co-founder and also the co-CEO of Bybit. We've been doing this Keynote with Ben for the past 5 years, where every half of the year I come here and I greet our clients. Again, today we are live. We're going to give you some really good bonuses, so please stay tuned. And because we are live, we're also going to pick your questions. Please leave your questions, comments on all of our social medias, on our live stream, on the homepage, on the app. So we are live, firing on all fronts. Okay. So today's theme is rewrite your success and reshape the standard. Over the past months, Bybit have delivered many things, and also we went through some big hurdles as well, as we all know. So we're going to address all of that, what we did, what challenges we overcame, and also what innovations we managed to push out in the last 6 months. And more importantly, what's coming up, the product, the services, the partnership, a lot more is happening. So please stay tuned and also leave your questions, yeah? All right, so first of all, guys, thank you so much for your support. Bybit is now 74 million strong. So over the 6 years, we've grown from a small exchange now to the second in the world with 74 million users. That means out of every 8 crypto lovers, there's 1 holders of Bybit account. So thank you so much, okay? All right, so the first thing we want to address, of course, is I think what made Bybit well known, and a lot of people know, is the hack incidents. I think on the retrospect, thanks for the support during the whole hack, we experienced one of the largest, well, it is the largest hack in human history with $1.5 billion being hacked. A lot had been done, both from Bybit internal-wise, system-wise. But at the same time, throughout this event, we've seen that during that event, our industry got stronger. And now Bybit is stronger. And I want to give you the latest update. But before that, let's play a video. Okay? Yeah.
Feb 21, 2025. A state-backed cyber attack by North Korea's Lazarus Group compromised an Ethereum cold wallet on Safe, putting $1.4 billion in Ethereum at risk. From the very beginning, Bybit kept community informed in real time.
Ben jumped online right away, not just to say everything was fine, but to actually prove it with on-chain evidence.
Our cold wallets remained secure, and we took steps to protect user assets. Independent audits were released with full findings of the breach.
The way that Ben and Bybit actually responded to this is actually a lesson in crisis management.
Proof of reserves verified by Hacken. Bybit launched the Lazarus Bounty Program, built in 2 days to provide real-time updates, offering 10% rewards for any recovered funds.
Bybit acted in the best way imaginable. They communicated clearly and honestly, and that created trust.
So far, 5.18% of compromised funds have been frozen. 31% of the stolen assets remain traceable. Within just 48 hours, Bybit secured $1.23 billion in Ethereum.
All of the users of Bybit, your money is safe.
Together, we united the industry.
After reviewing the hot and warm wallet, we are now helping Bybit work on a new HSM-based cold wallet solutions. We continue working with Bybit team to harden the exchange applications and architectures, monitoring the anomaly, and address operational risks to ensure the protections as a new threat emerge.
Trust tested, resilience proven. We are Bybit, rewriting the industry standards.
All right, I hope you enjoyed a little summary of the hacking event. Actually, I think from the video you can see after the event, we did many things internally within Bybit. Although the hacking did not occur on the Bybit infrastructure, after the hack within the last few months, we did a complete third-party overhaul and review of the Bybit internal system as well. So the Bybit currently today, the warm wallet, the hot wallet, as well as the cold wallet, has been all completely audited. We also work with our many different third parties, including VeriChain, you've seen the video, that did code review. And on top of that, I think when we look at the incidents, not only it was a hacking incident to Bybit, it was I think a hacking incident happened to the industry, which if handled wrongly, went to the quite wrong ways. And I really want to show our appreciation and thanks to the partners that helped us during the process, and even today, still on the tracking effort, on the partnership that helping us went through this incident. So now I want to invite Dreamer from Hacken to say a few words. Yeah, thank you.
Hello, man.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
So yeah, I think one of the key things many of the partners and industry players, even audit regulators, asked us. We showed full transparency during the event, and you were one of the audit firms that we work with and helped us tremendous during the process, right? So what do you think transparency is the key? What do you think from Reshaping now?
Yeah, I think it's a perfect example why the proactive transparency matters. Because if you didn't have the proof of reserve like before, like if you were doing it post only, then probably the trust won't be there. And I think this is example that all other players in the industry should follow. And I'm very happy that you did it, and you basically just within the hours, the whole community, the whole industry knew that you're solvent, knew that this will not affect your future, and here we are. It's like we're already in the history of the perfect. Handling the example of perfect handling the crisis.
No, I think Bybit we were lucky that since the fall of FTX, and I think we implemented the monthly full proof of reserve, and I think during the incidents, Hacken as our third-party auditor was able to verify that all our assets is completely still solvent, and that helped tremendously during the whole incident, right? So I understand we also work together on our nonprofit initiative, BGA. Maybe you want to share a bit what we've been doing over there?
Yeah. Once again, like with example with proof of reserve, the Bybit is not obliged by any regulator to do this proactive security, but also Bybit is not obliged to do the blockchain for good initiative. Yeah, and we were selected with our educational product called Trust Army to participate in it. And Trust Army, it's the course that helps people to learn how to do DIY, do your own research. Awesome. So we basically give the framework and guidelines how they should analyze the project so not to get into scam, fraud, or any other suspicious project.
All right, man. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
All right. Great. So we're going to cover a little bit more on the CRS, the social responsibility part of the nonprofit initiative, BGA, and many other things we did. But let's head back to what we've done, the big juicy part of the last 6 months, what the system upgrades, what the product upgrades that we did. At the same time, I'm going to invite a few of the key members of the team. So top line numbers, guys, we want to give you. Internally, on the infrastructure-wise, Bybit has been working always, continuously to improve our infrastructure. I want to give you a few big numbers. Bybit is very proud still on our availability, meaning that the system never goes down. Ever since we launched until today, we've never done a voluntary maintenance or offline to upgrade our system. All of it is upgraded through re-release and hot patches. That means we have 99.99 availability with less than 52 minutes overall downtime a year, okay? Another big number I want to talk about is the latency. That's extremely critical and important for our institution players. We have a top latency figure less than 10 milliseconds, meaning that if you send an order to Bybit, by the time you get the response is within less than 10 milliseconds. So this is definitely top-notch in the industry, okay? Some of the other things I think clients do care about is what is our compliant roadmap. Actually, we have a really big update coming up. I want to first show you a video.
Welcome to the Bybit EU office.
As you guys know, we got the MiCAR license, so this is our newly formed European entity. We must celebrate today. We're going to launch so many more products, Bybit card, derivatives, many more products to come, and exciting times. So this is just the beginning. We have a roadmap coming up, and this is just the start.
So guys, yes, that was the launching event of Bybit EU. Bybit is now officially under the MiCAR compliance regime for the whole EU. This means we've launched our Bybit.eu site last month, and now we are fully compliant to service all EEA countries, all 29 of them, and to present you a local exchange. What that means is for our European users, they can now log on to Bybit.eu, and also our app is now available to register and trade on Bybit EU. So how does Bybit EU different? Bybit EU, we want to present you as the local exchange. We give you the local fiat on and off ramp, whether you're from France or Germany or Italy or Romania, all the regions we service. At the same time, we will set up local offices in major countries in EU. By the way, our headquarters is in Vienna, Austria, so we welcome all our clients and partners to come and say hi and visit us. At the same time, we are working on the Bybit card and also local fiat on and off ramp solutions to give you the local exchange experience under the Bybit EU. At the same time, we are working on our MiFID license, meaning that hopefully within 6 months, we'll be able to present you with our MiFID, that means derivative trading product within EU, all compliant under the license, okay? So hopefully that's, stay tuned to that, okay? On top of the EU expansion, we of course have been working non-stop to expand the product and services in other regions. So we are in UAE as our headquarters. We are now in principle approval under the VERA regime. At the same time, we are getting also, we got the in principle approval from Abu Dhabi under the ESCA regime. One of the latest updates is for India. We are now fully FIU registered. That means now Bybit is fully compliant in India, and you can access Bybit product and services from India. This was a huge upgrade and improvement. Okay. Now, I think yesterday I made a tweet, big announcement from the Mantle team. Give you guys some background. Mantle is a project that Bybit supported, incubated since about 3 years ago. Initially was Bit DAO as the world's largest and #1 DAO. And I think about a year and a half ago, it transitioned into a layer 2. Now it's one of the largest layer 2 out there based on EVM layer 2 infrastructure. The big announcement from yesterday, as you can see on the slide, is that I'm very glad to congratulate Helen, my co-CEO, and also Emily, who is the Bybit head of Spot, as well as the founder of their ByReal project, have been now appointed as the key advisor to Mantle. This means that you will see a lot more synergy between Bybit and Mantle, as our key personnel is now involved in the decision process. But at the same time, I'm looking forward to see more synergy between Mantle and other ecosystems as well to accelerate the whole process of this layer 2 and also the Mantle infrastructure. So I think hoping that the Mantle 2 will start from now with stronger leadership, deeper alignment, and also renew the momentum. So with that, I think Mantle is going to make more announcements, but congrats to Helen and Emily. I think a lot more is going to happen. Okay, great. All right, so maybe for now, I pick a few questions from the audience. Let's see, blah, blah, blah. Let's see. Actually, maybe go to the top question. Can I take a look? Yeah. The first question is from our VIP named Mingwood Kim, asking, will Bybit introduce a feature to customize trading view layout or save the chart on the Bybit app or the desktop? So this was a long-asked feature, especially for our clients. So if you actually use trading view on the desktop version, it will be saved on the desktop version the next time you log into the desktop. However, clients asking if my feature is saved on desktop, can I view it automatically on the app? So we actually implement the app feature to make sure that the trading view links data between the app and the desktop. So for the key trading layouts, including the lines that you draw on the desktop, will be updated to and pushed to the mobile app. So you can try it out, and now it's available. Okay. All right. So let's see. Oh, okay. Another user is our VIP. Also asked. His name is Jin Sun Wu. I would love to know, are there any upcoming plans to enhance funding rate arbitrage opportunities, or how to arbitrage funding rate to improve capital efficiency? Actually, I think this is a great question. I'm going to ask Eric to do a quick demo. We actually recently released a feature that helps our clients to do funding rate arbitrage. Let's show on the screen. Eric, are you ready?
Yeah, sure.
All right, maybe you can walk the clients through this feature. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. This feature is under the trade tab, and you go to the bottom, called spread trading.
Spread trading. So the feature is called spread trading, as you can see on the desktop. Maybe I will take over here. Yeah. So you can see that it's basically helping the clients across the market to trade derivative spot as well as option. What it does is help you to make an entry at the same time multi-legs. So you can entry your future position, spot position, even option at the same time. And for this feature, we actually give our user 50% discount on the fees. That means if you are trying to arbitrage between the derivatives and the spot, you can use this feature and you can save quite a bit on the fees as well, right? So you can see on the screen here as Eric shows. All right, cool. Let's come back. All right, guys. So next, I want to introduce Emily, who I just mentioned, recently being appointed as key advisor of Mantle. Emily, come aboard and maybe you introduce yourself. Yeah.
Thank you, Ben.
Yeah.
Okay. GM everyone, I'm Emily, the head of sport at Bybit and also the key advisor to Mantle. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. You have many titles, yeah?
It's an honor to see you all again. Okay, so maybe before I jump into my part, let's do the first round of Red Pocket giveaway.
Oh, yeah. I almost forgot that. Yes, let's give away the Red Pocket, the bonuses, yeah, the airdrops, okay?
Okay, the first round of the Red Pocket giveaway, we prepared 5 USDT trading bonus to 300 existing users. So trade now and get the bonus as soon as possible. Okay, so let me start my part. So 2025 has been a milestone, not just for Bybit, but also for the entire crypto industry. We saw the new initiatives, the accelerating innovation across DeFi, and we saw like RWA entering the mainstream conversations more and more. And we saw a clear demand for the stronger on-chain transparency and also accountability from the crypto native projects. So this industry is evolving like even faster than before. And as Bybit, I think we are not just following this trend, right? Because this not just a trend, it shows where the crypto is heading. We are heading into a more like integrated, mature, and more importantly, user-focused financial ecosystem. And for spot, we as like represented like the top tier crypto exchange, listing the hottest and high demand assets first and fast. Let's say, for example, with the listing like a Trump token, actually we are the first top tier centralized exchange listed Trump on day one, and the result is massive. We achieved like 65% of the market share on day one, and recorded an impressive like $6.4 billion of this single token trading volume in the first week.
That was during the meme time, but after that the market was a little bit quiet, yeah. And
Very quiet.
And then I think the focus of the industry kind of moved towards stock, even traditional assets, which also Bybit start to introduce, which we will talk about. But I think she's going to talk about what we did, right?
Yes, and then we saw the shift, and we saw where is the future of the capital markets is moving. That's why we took the initiative to introduce the tokenized stocks on spot trading. And now the users, you can trade equity tokens like Apple, Tesla, Coin, Circle directly on Bybit. Spot trading is a big step towards like bridging the TradFi and the financial futures. And we believe the trust is built on transparency. It's very important to Bybit. So we launched the listing billboard. It's a new initiative that we require the projects to regularly disclose their financial and operational performance.
Post-listing,
yes,
after listing.
After listing, yes. So this aims to set a new standard for transparency, and we want to help you as investors to make better decisions and hold the projects accountable. And now we already have quite a few projects already posted their performance data. If you go to the announcement page and check listing billboard, you will see all these data. And now let's talk about one of the most unique innovations from Bybit is our industry-first AI trading assistant, TradeGPT. It's not a new product. It's been there for a while. And today, this year, we make it even smarter, that we integrate advanced intelligence from social value. And now, with TradeGPT, you can pull from the social signals and market sentiment and on-chain activities through the TradeGPT. And this feedback is very, very positive. We receive a lot of positive feedback from the professional researchers and also the top KOLs. So imagine that TradeGPT is your professional researcher, working for you 24/7.
Amazing, yeah.
And now we have the new token listing products, Mega Drop. You love it. Yes, so imagine you purchase fixed term saving products, you enjoy the saving bonus, and also you can earn the points and get the new token airdrop before this token got listed on Bybit. So we introduced these products right after the hack happens. Yes, we start design these products to actually roll out these products within just 1 month. And for now, we already launched the 5 rounds of this Mega Drop token listing, and we receive over $200 million in total order value. And for each round, we have at least 30,000 users.
We got a lot of good feedback on this, on this product because we do receive a budget for the project listing on Bybit. We can give them through the Mega Drop, and clients have been collecting good airdrops from this and really good feedbacks, yeah?
Yeah, earning and farming the new
Very
tokens.
Good. Yeah.
And last year in September, we introduced the BB-SO. Yeah, that's actually kind of like my baby. If you don't know about BB-SO, this is the first centralized exchange-backed SO LST token. And speaking of this, BB-SO is turning 1 year very, very soon. And this baby, I have to say, has been growing very beautifully because BB-SO is born on DeFi world. You can find BB-SO on all the major Solana protocols. And also, BB-SO is doing very well in the CeFi world. It's been integrated into the Bybit ecosystem. So BB-SO is becoming a true showcase of the Bybit's innovation in CDeFi. And this year, we took BB-SO to the next level. And now, here is the tutorial. So you can just borrow up to 4 times of SO directly from Bybit and to stake it to on-chain and mint BB-SO. You can just start earning the SO staking yields of over 20%. Amazing. Okay, so moving forward, what you can expect from us? You can see we are doing more and more initiative towards the on-chain and the Web3. Yes, we are building the next chapter of Bybit. It's an on-chain Bybit. So you remember that previously we have Web3 wallets, right? But it's kind of like history. So now the new Bybit Web3 goes far beyond. It's not a wallet now. We are building an on-chain trading platform for all the users. You will be able to trade trendy on-chain tokens directly from your Bybit UTA account. You don't need to change, you don't need to create on-chain wallet. And also, you will be able to participate into the on-chain liquidity mining and explore more the real CDeFi opportunities on all-in-one unified platform. And also, we're enhancing our financial products activities to give you more control and flexibility. Let's say, for example, these 2 key features upcoming is the fixed term and fixed rate loans with your UTA account. And also, you will be able to manually borrowing from your UTA account. It's a feature like being requested from our VIP users for quite a long time. And next, you love this slogan, buy real, time for crypto to get real. And now let me reintroduce myself. GM everyone, I'm Emily, the founder of Buy Real. Okay, Burial is a hybrid DEX incubated by Bybit, but born on Solana. Yes, we are building a Solana DEX. So we actually want to bring the CEX-grade liquidity with DeFi native transparency. That is why the Burial born. We also introduced a new ideal mechanism, reset launch. It's a fair launchpad model with smart price ladder and fair share engine. We already successfully launched the first ideal projects. I hope you enjoyed. So
I think clients are looking for the second one.
Yes.
Yeah? When is the second one coming? I think that's the real question.
Very soon.
Okay.
Very soon. Yeah. So actually, we want to turn the fragmented liquidity into unified opportunity through Burial. So this is the big picture. The future is on-chain. The future of finance is here. So let's get started.
Awesome. All right, I think we got a few more questions. Let's answer a few more questions. One from the audience is ATA something. With the recent Mantle pump bring excitement around Mantle, will we see new possibility to utilize Mantle on Bybit down the line?
Definitely, for sure.
Yeah?
That is the reason why we joined the Mantle team, right?
Okay, yeah. So do expect a lot more product incorporation from basically Bybit, but not only Bybit. I think it's the whole ecosystem play, and I think Emily is gonna cook up some magic there.
Yeah, not just Mantle and Bybit. It's Mantle with Bybit, with the other ecosystem partners.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Okay. All right. Thanks, Emily. All right. Cool. So next up, I think we actually have a lot more innovation and product coming up. The next thing we want to talk about is really the liquidity. I think even Burial is a project to address the liquidity issue in DEXs. But also on the Bybit side, we've been working very hard to address the liquidity on both spot and derivatives. So now I want to invite Sun Yet to join me, who is our head of derivatives, to talk about what we've been doing on the derivative front and liquidity. Yeah?
Okay. So at Bybit, we're setting the standard in liquidity. As a trader, the most important factor is liquidity. Bybit now has the best spot liquidity in the market if you measure it by order book depth and spreads. RPI, a Bybit innovation, launched in Feb for spot to great success for our retail and VIP traders. Our Bitcoin and Ethereum is 3 times of the next best exchange. The magic that we did on spot will soon be done on the perp market and the options market. So what's next? It started out as a trial for a few market makers. We're going to expand this to all of our Pro 6 and MM3 clients and to allow all new listings with RPI on day 1. This is to further enhance liquidity, and we'll have different rebate rates for RPI versus API orders so that everyone will enjoy the best liquidity for Bybit. Another interesting thing, our TradFi is now live on your Bybit app. No more MT5. We're the first major exchange to launch TradFi access on your Bybit app. All the gold, commodities, indices, FX, and stocks are all live via CFDs. We know you love to trade cryptos, but sometimes other asset classes are pumping. And we want you to experience all this, and we're lowering all the fees by half. We're also the first exchange to roll out equity trading stops. That way that your copy trading classic and 3 trading bots will have this protection. Our analysis shows that this has reduced losses if they occur by over 60%. At Bybit, we're always looking for building tools to help and protect our traders and investors. Oh, well, the most exciting part, again, our second round of Red Package is now live. 300 new users will receive a 5 USDT trading bonus. Deposit at least $100 within 7 days to be eligible. Claim your Red Packets now. Ben?
Cool. All right, man. Thank you. So maybe I go back one slide. We want to talk about the derivative and liquidity, right? So I think some audience are asking questions. One of them is asking, maybe roll back up the questions a bit. Yeah. Okay. Client booming or something. Will Bybit move beyond TradFi CFDs and tokenized RWAs to offer real multi-asset investment account with custodial stock, forex, and commodity ownership? Yeah. So currently the offering under TradFi on the app and also coming up to the desktop is CFDs. That means clients, you're not actually holding those stock or those assets, but it's a derivative form. For the actual holding, we need a broker license. We're working on and be able to offer you actually a real custodian of these assets. So this is something we're working on, and hopefully we'll be able to bring it to you very soon. Okay. Let's pick another question. Let's see. Keep going. Let's see. Will Bybit actually? Okay, this is client Ichika. Will Bybit join the crypto asset reporting framework? If so, when will be the reporting begin? I assume this is talking about Bybit.eu with the regulatory framework, maybe under the DORA or which MiCA framework. What is reported, what's not reported. We will completely follow what the regulator requires under the regulatory framework. Also, one of the things we know that's coming up is by end of the early next year, there will be new tax regime coming out for EU and some other part of the world. Bybit will also follow. We're talking to a few tax vendors and agencies to help our clients to ease their tax reporting duties, as well as give them the product to export the documents and the statements whenever they need. Okay. All right. So maybe we go to the next section. So we actually have done quite a bit of things on the Bybit Pay section. So Bybit now have our own payment services as well as the Bybit card. So maybe I invite David to join me.
Thank you so much.
He's holding a new merch from
Yes.
Bybit. Yeah,
Yes.
can
Yes.
talk about? Okay.
Yes, sure. Because right now, like crypto is not for trading only anymore. It is for everyday life. So that's actually how I bought this cup. I bought it with Bybit card, you know. So moving on to the next. This is really means a lot what you did for us in terms of users. You really propelled our growth to make us achieve more than 2 million users, and a lot of users coming from regions like Latam, Europe, and Southeast Asia. You even trusted us with spending with Bybit card, and even our spending volume surged a lot. We reimagined our rewards thanks to your feedback. Now you have a new reimagined reward system which allows you to earn more cash back with the more usage that you do on your Bybit card. We also added a lot of important partnerships like Rappi, Viva Ticket, and Fitzmeister. We really wanted to thank you, so we decided to partner with the biggest music festival in the world, Tomorrowland, Brazil. Tomorrowland every year brings together hundreds of thousands of people, and only for Bybit card holders, the opening of the purchase of the tickets was actually private, so it was only for them. Now they're still able to enjoy 20% cashback on festival tickets, on merch store, on the official website. We are going to release a new virtual card with the Tomorrowland special design. And in all our campaigns, we always include the tickets for this amazing event. Right now, there are also DJ parties across São Paulo, so please feel free to go there and enjoy the amazing atmosphere. We always want to do more, of course. So we just launched in June in the APAC region. We are planning to launch in Europe and Georgia now in August. And we are going to close the quarter and the year actually with quarter 4, launch Colombia and Peru. And we not only want to expand geographically, but we also want to try to enter new segments. That's why we are trying to enter the new corporate segment. And for our VIPs, we will also allow dual card flexibility, which means they will have 2 cards, one Visa and one MasterCard, more perks, higher limits, and more premium experiences for all. And of course, we always think about enhancing our security. So right now, the dispute support is much better than before. Moving on to Bybit Pay. So this is the sister product of Bybit Card. And now the local QR is supported in LATAM and Southeast Asia within your Bybit app. And it has an amazing growth of more than 700% quarter on quarter. There was a surge in user activation by 3,000%. And we put together the 10% cashback reward system between card and pay. So now it's available for pay as well. And you can spend in all the cryptos that you like USDT, USDC, BTC, and much more. Coming soon, we also have FX plus remittances, bill payments, installments, and crypto-powered loans. So what happened this year and what's in the pipeline? So in January, we launched in Brazil with access to 150 million people. June, Vietnam and Philippines, 100 million people, more than 100 million people users. Argentina in July, support for Transferencias 3.0. And then now we come up to what's going to happen, which is going to be the next launches in Mexico. Mexico will come in Q3. Then we will have also Peru and Thailand, and we will open to Greater Asia as well for a unified support for Southeast Asian travelers across multiple QR systems. So before I leave you, let me ask you a question. So the winner of the people that will answer correctly to this poll will be able to share 500 USDT prize pool. So the question is, which new Bybit update are you the most excited about? Lite app or Bybit card and pay expansion? Vote now and continue voting. Now I will leave the floor to Ben once again to give you the latest updates.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, awesome. Great. I think we've got a bunch of new questions also. Let's address some of these things. One actually is a media question from Cointelegraph. What does Bybit new wealth management solution offer to the average crypto investors compared to the existing market product? Actually, this is a really good question, which is a good segue to my next topic, which is the private wealth management product on Bybit. So actually, we've launched a private wealth management product since about a year ago. And ever since, it's been receiving overwhelmingly positive feedback from our client. As you can see, all the numbers here. What this product is tailor-made product for clients with more than 1 million in asset on Bybit Earn or anything within Bybit. What happens is our RM will reach out to you, and we can design a custom-made wealth management product for you. This means that you can tell us whatever your demand is. Maybe you want to keep 200,000 very liquid. You want to keep half of it in Bitcoin. You want to gradually purchase Ethereum, or you already have Bitcoin. You want a long-term, but with highest yield. Whatever your need is, we can tailor make that product for you and then deploy it to you only. So this is something our private management clients really loved. And so far, the performance you can see has been quite well. I'm also a product user of this product, and now more and more clients asking for this. So if you are interested, please reach out to your RM, and we can also design something for you. As far as I know, we're one of the only exchanges that offers this tailor suite made for you need. Okay. All right. So next, I want to a little bit talk about the VIP experience and what we do for the VIPs. So of course, VIPs is extremely important for Bybit. You are the biggest, our bread and butter. So we've done many things over the past 6 months. One of the biggest things the VIP clients is to ask on top of the fees and the product things they need, and they ask for offline events. How do we do workshops and also use this offline event to get our VIPs to know each other? So over the 6 months, actually, we've done more than 40 offline events. And if you go to the Me page under Bybit app, go to your Me page, you will see what's happening around you and what's coming up. And as a VIP, you can register to come to any of our events for free. We typically do a workshop. We sometimes invite speakers or even social gatherings among our clients, and they can get to know each other and they exchange ideas and market outlooks and things like that. On top of that, we also delivered a market intelligence section for our VIPs. This is exclusive. Based on the positions you have, we will push a monthly or actually a weekly analysis on your positions on the market outlook, so you have a rough idea of what is going on in the market. Okay. Other than that, we have some other product launched. which is the first sex partner, and also the AML bot, help you to move things faster if you run into any AML KYC issues. Okay. The next update we did is actually Bybit app 5.0. Alongside with 5.0, we also released the Bybit Lite, the app version. There has been a long-asked feature. A lot of our clients asking, how can we have a light version that makes the app easier, more beginner-friendly? So this has been released on Android, and it's coming up very soon on the iOS store. But on top of that, we recently released a complete UI upgrade to the Bybit app. So now the Bybit app looks sleeker, it is faster, and also the UI design, we changed things a bit. And currently, I think the feedback was quite good. So now you can have quick access to buy and sell, many of these things on top of that. Okay. Okay. Actually, one of the questions from the audience is that Costly says he loved the new Bybit app. Great, it's good to know. Can you explain what the open close in the trade section means and how does it work? Maybe Eric, let's do a quick demo. On the new Bybit app, where is the open and close in the trade section? I think he's referring to on the chart, right? Yeah. So by the way, guys, currently on the demo, you are looking at the Bybit new app with the new UI upgrade. So if you go to the trade, click on any pair. I think, right, there's is it long or short? I cannot see. Maybe Eric, you can take over. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Here is the new upgraded version for our app 5.0. So if you go to features, and here is the long and short position.
Yeah. What's interesting, one of the things is if you go to the chart, you can actually now make trade on the chart. So Eric, show the chart area. Go to the chart on your top right. Yeah, you can switch to the chart. Here we go. You can actually now place orders here directly on the bottom. Previously, it was not possible because clients were saying, well, I'm on the app, I'm looking at the price, how can I make a quick entry? So we give you that capability. And one more thing is, the Bybit app is extremely customizable. So if you go to the customized area, maybe on the top, there's many things you can change and you can address to your like. So you can change, you can see here on the chart, there are many things you can display and also ignore if you don't want to see it. And if you go to the trade area, let's go back to the position area, actually the trade area. Yep, switch to the trade on the top. Yeah, and there's also many areas you can customize. The bottom panel, everything you can customize. Also on the top, if you are only a spot trader or a derivative trader or a TradFi trader, you can customize on the top navigation bar. All of that is customizable. Okay? Yeah. So I think this is something, if you only trade certain things, you don't like certain things, the Bybit app can give you the power to do that. At the same time, I want to mention, if you go to the search bar, go to the home page, go to search. Now we support everything within Bybit, including TradFi we talked about. Let's search gold or Tesla, maybe do gold, yeah. And then you will be able to see, even in copy trading, and on the bottom, it's probably the TradFi. Yeah, here we go, TradFi. You can find it and be able to trade it. Okay, so everything is within your Bybit app. It's one app for all. That's what we strive to do. Okay, all right, let's come back to the slide. Okay, yeah, so the next upgrade is the earn page. The earn page now is simplified. Previously, we divided into different product lines, but now we've categorized into 3 categories, which is easy earn, on-chain earn, and advanced earn. And this page shows you how to invest it and also the idle asset with the tailored product suggestions. So one tap, total control. Okay. So this upgraded order page makes it extremely easy to subscribe, track, and also manage your earnings. Okay. Next is one of the big also feedback. I've even seen some from the audience to ask us how can we make our asset page trading history position history easier to navigate. This is a very big upgrade that's coming up. I think it's coming up end of the month. What's coming up is previously, for example, transaction records was limited, and also the way it's displayed is not so user-friendly. You need to select a funding account, UTA account. You have to distinguish between these accounts. But now the revamp is we've completely put it in a unified way. One entry point for all transactions, all record, everything you need to know. And also from a P&L perspective, from a trading perspective, we changed the perspective. And this is coming up. So I think what you are seeing on the screen is actually the UI design of this whole new asset page. I think you're going to love it. So stay tuned for that. This is coming up as well. Okay. The next thing that's coming up is the RFQ function. A lot of our VIP institutions have been requesting this feature, especially for the option traders. This is coming up. So you enjoy the instant quote and block trade throughout all the trading product on Bybit. So one capital efficiency account to execute all the multi-leg strategies with lower fees and tighter spread. At the same time, after launching the RFQ, what's coming up is also the OTC desk of Bybit. That's also coming up. So stay tuned for that. I think option traders, institutions will love this feature. We talked about the VIPs events, and here is a rundown of what's upcoming, guys. If you are in these areas, we'll welcome you to join us. Some of the events that's coming up in the second half of this year. Noticeably, the VIP Gala in APAC. If you are a VIP, we'll invite you. Last year it happened in Bali. This year, I think also we're going to decide somewhere in Indonesia. On top of that, the VIP Gala in Mina also is coming up. I think a lot of VIP clients have been asking what's happening this year for the VIP Gala, and for sure it is coming up. Okay? All right, so maybe we go to a few questions. Let's go to the screen. Let's see. Keep rolling. Sorry, keep rolling. Yes. I think I highlighted a few questions before. Maybe I'm not sure where is it on the screen. Can you keep rolling? Yeah. Let's see the screen. Okay. Yes. So one of the questions is how does establishing a Bybit EU headquarters advance Bybit strategy for navigating a complex regulatory environment? Well, it is complex, but the biggest license currently global is definitely the MiCA license that across the whole Europe. And now Bybit is fully compliant with our EU headquarters in Austria. So this is something we want to open up the office and make sure we can welcome all the clients and partners there. And also over there is a completely dedicated independent team running the Bybit EU site, independent custodian providers, independent system segregations, so clients can have that ease of mind when trading on the Bybit EU. Okay? All right. So next, I actually have a video. Let's play the video. Yeah. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. It's a summary of what we did on the CSR, which is the corporate responsibility front. We actually initiated a few nonprofit initiatives. You've seen that in BGA. Just now we talked about with Hacken. Actually, a few other projects we incubated. This year, we already did a BGA event in Europe, in actually Cannes in France. And also by end of the year, there is a Oscar event happening, with BGA alongside with the United Nations at their headquarters. So we'll welcome the projects we incubate and also even project interested to come join us. At the same time, for our nonprofit initiative, last year we launched the CCCC, which is the Crypto Content Creator Conference that happened in Dubai as well as in Bali. End of this year, we're also going to do another one in Portugal, Lisbon. So stay tuned for that. Very, very big event coming up. Okay. All right. So I think we are actually moving towards the end of the product launch or the keynote with me. Okay. So thank you so much. Maybe before we take more questions, let's do another round of red pocket. Okay. So our staff is going to show the red pocket on the screen. Make sure you grab it. Okay. While I pick a few more questions, and we wrap it up. Okay. All right. So maybe pick one here from Wu Block. What is my view on the quick rise of Hyperliquid? Could it challenge position of centralized exchange? I've been asked this question a lot. I don't think DEX or especially DEX like Hyperliquid is competing with SEX. I feel like in a way we work together because a lot of the clients who would use Hyperliquid or other DEX would require a centralized exchange as infrastructure to onboard. So I think my position is still people use SEX as an infrastructure to get into crypto, to understand what's going on, and to become more savvy. And the moment they become more savvy, maybe they can explore in Web3 with a non-custodian wallet. This is also why we launched ByReal and also the Web3 initiatives. We understand more and more clients is exploring Web3 and in a completely non-custodian way, and this is why we want to provide that access to the clients as well. But I don't really see a challenge there or a competing relationship with that. Okay. Another question is to talk a little bit more about the Bybit loan lending system. Actually, we've launched in the last 6 months a auto lend program. So if you have a UTA account with the asset that you're not using, you can turn on the auto lend and you can earn while your idle asset is sitting there and earn the interest through the UTA account. So this is something had been happening. But also we are now down the road combining all of the borrow lending feature on Bybit. Currently, you still have UTA and other borrow lending features on Bybit. We want to unify everything, so present client with one area to do the borrow lending as one spot. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's see. Sorry. Oh, one more question is asking, is WSOT coming? How is it different than the previous one? So the question is, yes, this is from T Crypto. Yes, WSOT is coming very soon. And it is a bit different than 2024 or the years before. This year, we incorporated a few more competition style. One of the noticeable one is one-on-one. I think one-on-one WSOT, you can compete with another single player to trade and compete in competitions. But of course, this year is going to be bigger and much larger scale. And again, I think clients can stay tuned to that. Actually, maybe the team can tell me when is exactly the launching dates of WSOT. I actually don't know. Oh, actually, okay, is this 12th of August. So 12th of August is the pre-hype announcement of all the WSOT 2025. So stay tuned for that. Okay. Okay, let's do one more question. Okay, from Mikon. How is Bybit positioning itself not just as a trading platform, but a key enabler for Web3 ecosystem? Yeah, so like I said, we position ourselves as infrastructure, connecting client to the Web3 world, whether you need from fiat to spot, spot to spot, and even if you need to explore, we have ByReal who's launching, and also now we are much more integrated with Mantle. You will see a lot more synergies happening over there. But again, we are the bridge and the road. Wherever the client wants to go, we want to provide the product and ease their mind to do that. Okay? All right, guys. So I think that's a wrap. Thank you so much for tuning in to Keynote with Ben, first half of the 2025. Again, I'll see you at the second half of the year to give you more update and things on Bybit. Okay, thank you.